Hi, grade two, grade two, Emarati syllabus. Today I will start the new syllabus in your book, Bridge to Success. I would like to say that your book is changing into Bridge to Success. The rest of the grades from grade 3 till grade 6, your book is changing. So today I will start the your syllabus from the beginning. I started the previous syllabus in before in the videos on my channel. You can return and revise what I told. It's painful for you also to revise what I told before. But today I will start this syllabus that we will examine. We will be examined in. But before I will go to the first unit in this book, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. This is my channel. Let's go to the first unit in your book. Today I will start the first unit in your book, Bridge to Success, grade 2. The first unit, it will be today I will explain 3 lessons only to be able to study. Here we have welcome to school. So here in this topic we talk about things and about the things that I see in our classroom. Here we say, think about it. What do you do at school? So here we ask you, we give you a question to know what we do in school. In the school we learn. In school we listen to our teachers. In school we learn something new. We play with my friends. All these the things that we do in school. Yes, all this we do in school. Read and listen. Find each thing in the picture. Here we say hello school. So which who saying to hello school? The teacher. Here is tables and the chairs. Where is table and chairs? This is tables. Here is tables, chairs, and here is chairs. This is tables and this is chairs. A list of rules. This is called the rules. Look and listen. Put your hand up. Be good friend. So all these called the rules of our classroom. Books and crayons. Which here books and crayons? This is the crayons. Which books? I can't see the books here. Where is the books here? This is books. This is books and this is crayon. Hello school. So here is the say. So here the pupils replying the teacher by saying hello school. What's in the classroom? Here is we have blue pen. Here is blue pencil. Here is green ruler. Here is red lunchbox. Let's search about everyone here. Where is the blue pencil? This one blue pencil. Green ruler. This is the green ruler. Here is a green ruler, and this is green ruler. Red lunchbox. This is red lunchbox. I would like to say something in grade 2. We depend on our textbook until we have exercises from booklets. I will search for your exams and the style of the exam later. But now I depend on the extra textbook to do the exercise related to the textbook until we have exercises or have the formula of the exam later. Okay, because this is your syllabus is new and there isn't anything related to this syllabus up till now. Making friends. Listen to the teacher talking. Listen to the teacher talking. How are they? Practice your partner. Here we say making friends. Here is listen to the children talking. Here we one of the children saying to his classmate to take care for what the teacher talking to. How are they? So here I ask about the state. Practice with partner means cooperate with each other to do something like drawing, making a painting or study or searching for the book or everything. All this practicing with our partners or our classmates. Let's go to lesson 2, and we have new words that I would like to learn with me and repeat it with me. I would like to have paper and pencil and write this vocab to be able to study. I would like to say something, grade 2. The vocab or the words must be kept because it's important to keep the vocab. The English depends on vocab, and in the exam, you can missing the one of the letter, so we must know how to write the word, like table. In the exam, can miss the letter A or letter T, so we must be keep the vocab to be able to answer this in the exam. Let's read this vocab and learn it together. A table, a clock, a whiteboard. I think all of us have a whiteboard in our classrooms. A table, a clock, and whiteboard. Here is an ABC chart. This is chart. We have ABC. Here is chairs, more than one, adding S. Here is chairs. Here is computers. I would like to say that anything more than one, we're adding S to the noun, like this. Chairs and computers. Chairs and computers. Here is making the tip or making the note about the grammar structure, which is adding S to the nouns that more than one. And we use A or N with the singular things. Okay? Here is classroom treasure hunt. Here is listen to Rashid. He's doing a classroom treasure hunt. Which thing does he forget to see? So here is we have things that see. We have something that that forget to see. Here is the whiteboard, clock, chairs, tables, books, and computers. We say here we saying if you see it or not. Okay, which thing does he forget to see? You have things and we have things that we see and others to see. I can see, for example, I forgot to see tables. So I say when I can see tables, I say no. Okay, if I see tables, I say I reply by yes. Okay, now do a treasure hunt in your classroom. This is a project that you do in your classroom. I would like to know the vocab in this part. I would like to learn with me the new vocab, which is whiteboard, clock, chairs, tables, books, and computers. It's important to know these words. Let's go to lesson 3, and I would like to stop here in this part because I don't want to have many words to be difficult for you to keep it, because I would like to keep the vocab. So I give you a few vocab to be able to study it. Okay, here we have the word. Here we have the word and the plural of this word. Here we have the noun of this word, adding s to be plural, like this. Here is this called singular noun. This called singular noun. We have here singular noun. This called singular, and this called plural, and this called plural. I would like to know this. Okay, what can I do? I know the plural, Miss Iman, by adding s to the noun, like this: chairs, like tables, like computers. Here's computers. I would like to make the circle on the s. Here's computers. Here is pencils, whiteboards. So here we have s. So when we add s to the noun, this is called the plural noun. This is called plural. When we talk about singular, what can I do when I have a singular noun or a singular without adding s, like this? We use what? We use a or n with this word. We use a or n, definite articles. But when the noun is plural, I can't use any article. A or n is not used here. Okay, I omit this one. Okay, so when we talk about singular, I use a or n with the things that singular. Things plural can't adding any definite article. Here we have chairs, we have tables, we have computers, pencils, and whiteboards. Okay, here is chair singular, table, computer, pencil, and whiteboard. I think now it's clear for this rule is clear for you now, and I think you understand it. Okay, not difficult. Okay, let's go to another item here, or another thing here. Here you say, look at the picture, point, and name the object you can see. They can then say the object. Here is what I say. Here there is notebook. This is notebook. Here is notebook. Note. This is called notebook. I write it to you to be able to write it. Here is notebook. Here notebook. Here is notebook. Here is called eraser. or wrapper. I think you are note as wrapper, not eraser. Okay, I would like to write it because in Egypt we say eraser, not wrapper. So here in Gulf countries we know it as wrapper. Here is wrapper. Here is apple. Okay, I will write it as you write it. Okay, here is wrapper. So he say wrapper, notebook, apple. Wrapper, notebook, wrapper. Here is notebook, rubber, and apple. Notebook, rubber, and apple. I would like to make a quick review on the words that we took it today to be able to get. I would like to revise with you again to be able to study. Here is, we have, today we have some words. Let's make a quick review on. Here we have a table, a clock, a whiteboard. Table, clock, whiteboard. An ABC chart, an ABC chart, chairs and computers. An ABC chart, chairs and computers. Today we end from our video. Today we stop here on lesson 3. Next class I will continue the rest of the unit. I will take 3 units in 3 lessons in this unit. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.